my darling FUMINATION. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. I am in my studio space. You can see clothes. You can see my bath towel. That's the bathroom over there. You can see all of this makeup. This is where I get ready to film with you guys. And for the Met Gala, which all of you have lived and loved, you love the makeup and you're like, Fumi, come on with the makeup tutorials again. And what is old is new again. Why not? Let's have a lovely chit chat and do a makeup tutorial. And I wanted to show you a couple of tips and tricks that I am doing now as I get older, as I've lost weight. My face is a little bit more sallow, should I say, and so I really shade underneath, you know, just to keep it all the way uptight. Thank you, Lord Jesus Almighty. My paternal grandmother was a looker. If I find a picture of her, I'll put her up there. That's where I got the cheekbones from. If I didn't have these cheekbones, everything will fall flat on the floor, but it keeps the face copacetic. So that is why I get away with doing like a really good blusher. The brows are always done, because I went to Wardrobe of Beauty. Remember, she was at the meet and greet. She's a beast. She is flawless, fabulous. She removed all of my skin tags. Just look at this. And you know, I keep on talking about her all the time because she's the best in the United Kingdom. Because your complexion comes right back. You know how I am about my dark complexion. And I was reading in the comments when you were saying, Fumi, you live in the UK, there's no sun there. I said, it's true. Look at me now, no complexion. And that's where you see it in the hands, because I was even darker than this. Needless to say, look at the complexion. I am living and loving. So go to Wardrobe of Beauty to remove all of your skin tags. Christina is going, yes. And get your brows done. Absolutely flawless and sharp. And you look fabulous. All right, so let us get into it. I've already done my foundation. I've set it, and I use JUVIAS Place. JUVIAS Place is the best because my complexion is not necessarily even, so I use the darker complexion kind of sort of on the face, lighter on the eye, and then down on the neck so that it is fluid. Fantastic. You'll be asking me, what numbers are these? Mali is 130 and Kano is 150. So these are the shades that I use if you are close to my complexion, baby. Should I bring the mirror closer? No, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. When it comes to makeup, you would think I have the palette, that's it. No, it's really in your tools. If it is soft and it grasps makeup, it picks it up and it distributes evenly onto your complexion, then the makeup is fluid. If the brush is too harsh, it will skip, meaning that it will brush on, but it will not be fluid. It really is in the brushes. And there is a palette that I'm loving, and it's Hank and Henry. And this is what I used for the Met Gala, because you've got this purple blusher. When it comes to color, be careful, mama. Translation, put it in spots. So you see where I put it up here? That's all I'm going to do. Why? Because it's a bright shade. It's a bright shade. So what you do is that you just kind of squish it around. It doesn't have to be even. You just want to see what it's going to look like on your face without spreading too far. I like it. Doesn't matter if you don't have high cheekbones. Does not matter. Just put it right by your eye, so to speak. And then you bring it a little bit in front of the cheek and just graze it over. I'm showing you what I did for the Met Gala look. Are we living and loving? All right. This is a discontinued brand. It's a Jaclyn Hill. And I am using her little pink shade. It's a beautiful, beautiful pink. And this is for highlighting. Yeah, you take a brush, another brush, and you just dab right on top just to see what we're working with. Do you see? Just dab there and then dab in the same place. Another trick I want to tell you, if you make a mistake on one side of your face, repeat that mistake on the other side of your face. Because when you want to blend it out, you're going to come up with a different combination, which you're not going to have on the face that you didn't make the mistake with. And then you just blend that out. Okay? and you can stay here or you can add more. Another trick also, if it's too much, you can go over with pink eyeshadow, and that really gives it the copacetic that we're looking for. Okay, Gerard Cosmetics for the win today, and she has all kinds of setting sprays. Strawberry, ooh, smells divine. And I just let it sit. This palette is Morphe. It's broken, but I live for it. I think this must be my third palette. So I'm just using the true brown. Why? Because with any eyeshadow base, anything, use a brown shadow. Why? This is your transition. What is your transition? Your transition shade is the shade that blends everything in. This is where the cooking pot starts, and I'm just going to go above the socket. Even if you just use your transition shade and you go out the door, you're good to go. You're good to what? You're good to go. There you have it. This is model 101. This is what they used to do with us. This is the no face. And today we're going to use forest green in place of the blue that I used. So we're going to use Juvia's Place. This is the Culture 2 palette. She had the Culture 1, and so we have what? The Culture 2. And we're going to go in with this deep forest green. This is where the magic happens. This is what we are working with. Okay? And I'm just going to open my drawer because I got all kinds of things here. And then we're going to go in, and you go right above, and just make circular motions. If you have any fallout, don't worry. See the demarcation of your eye, and that will tell you exactly where the hollow of your eye is. You use a small brush because you want to get in there. Now with a big brush, if you can, yeah, brush off that on the side. And I should know better. So I'm just going to put some powder right here, and that is that. And you're just going to go back into that shade and deepen it with a smaller brush. It has to be a smaller brush every single time. Don't forget to use my discount code for Juvia's Place. The discount code does not expire. It is one of my favorite beauty brands of all time. It will never change. Whether it's Tom Ford, Gucci, Chanel, I buy everything and I get everything. But Juvia's Place's pigmentation is unmatched. I will say it anywhere. A lot of you always say, Fumi, is this your brand? The way that you talk about Juvia's. No, the thing is that when I love something, I truly love it. And that's when I come and I bring it to you. Because I'm like, you know what? If I love it, I know homegirl will love it too. And that's you, my darlings. And that comes for my Caucasian sisters as well. You know, because I love all women. So with that said, with the deep green in there, we're going to go in with a lighter green. Yeah, so you're just going to go in with the same wet brush with a lighter green. Okay, and we are going to go a little bit up and around here. Do you see? Just to give it some shade so that when you look at it, you know it's green. Do you see? And that's just in the middle. Just graze it over. And this is called Motherland. Oh, you're from the Motherland? That's what they used to tell me when I was living in New York, in America. They say, you're from the Motherland. I say, yes, I am. And I came to say hello. And just graze it over so that you have it on the edges as well. Kind of sort of blend. You're going to go with a skinny brush. Chad, I don't even have to look at it. I've known it forever. In how many years I've been on YouTube? Now, with the skinny brush, you're going to go in onto the side. And you're going to pull that black in. And that balances out the green. Because it's a lot. Yeah? And some of you might not be used to it. That's okay. And do you see what I'm doing? You just shade it in. Shade it in. That's all you gotta do. So we're going to use this brown right here and just blend that green out on the edges. See? I'm just going to blend it out, soften it out. Soften it on the edges, soften it on the edges so that there's no beginning, there's no ending. And then we're going to get rid of the color at the bottom. Green again on the under eye. Do you see how gorgeous that is? And then you can use your beautiful black eyeliner just to tie it all in. Take it from the sides and take it from the inside as well. And just blend it out. I'll take pictures, of course, so that you can see. And just make sure everything's copacetic. Gel lasts all day. The pencil? No. Take a little brush. Honey?
Hi, did you call me?
Yes, I did, but I was able to fix it. Say hi to FUMINATION.
You're filming?
I'm filming. I'm doing my makeup tutorial. Did I do it right?
I didn't know. You
I know.
Step to the side.
No, it's okay.
Alright.
Yes,
you figured it out?
I figured it out.
Okay.
That's it. You know, Ula does all of the filming till this very day. But we're against time. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. We're against time, so that's why I decided to do it on my own.
Okay.
Thank you, babes. Live for you. Let's take OPV Beauty. OPV Beauty sponsored my last meet and greet at their wonderful and most fabulous hair salon. Yeah, they did. That's it. Just like a little highlight. And then look at how gorgeous it looks. Ooh, I live and love. All right, darlings. Let me wear my lashes and I'll be back. Are we living and are we loving? This is what I'm talking about. This is how you can wear green. And then like I showed you, you can have your little highlighter. And this was very much like a creamy highlighter, but I liked the pink. And it's gorgeous, just that little pop. I use my JUVIAS Place. This is so muted. I think I'm beginning to even prefer muted. Look at it. It's bent down to nothing, but I live for it. And it's a nice nude. Look, is this not gorgeous? I love it. So, look, beautiful. And I like the fact that you can put a gloss on top of it. I will forever and a day love Chestnut from MAC. It is the best lip pencil ever. I'm being very comfortable with lives now because I do lives for the workout. You guys are coming. Yeah. Sometimes I work out and there's nobody there because you're all at work, as I am. And then in the evenings, I just see all of your comments. So, let me know, okay? Because you can sit here and kiki kaya and go live, okay? I will be going live a lot in New York. I won't have time to edit. But when I come back, I'm having a full team. Editor, because it's gotten bigger than me. I can't believe what a journey. And then I use Kylie 711, so cute. There you go. What do you think, my darlings? Do we live? Do we love? And that's it. That's it. It's really technique above everything and anything else. And you just practice, okay? And you can also use like a gel liner to seal your lash. Also, I do that sometimes and then sometimes I don't. Maybe I should just do a little one. You just get like a very, very skinny angled brush. And what you do, again, like I said, I live for gel liners because it glides on. It's blackety black because it's matte and it stays on forever. So if you have watery eyes, gel liner is for you. So we're gonna just do a real quickie here. Like I was saying, sometimes like I can see here, you can see like the glue is not looking fabulous. I get it. Take like a skinny brush. The only thing that would work would be the gel liner. And you go over. I don't know whether I should lean this on something. Yes. Okay. And then you go over like so. And you stamp it. Why stamp? So that you don't pull at your lash. Okay. You don't have to wear lashes. This is just for dramatic effect. There we go. And there's a little nick. Can you see there? Blend it out. See? And that works. I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial, my darlings, and we will do much more. And again, like I said, maybe I will start going live and then we can do makeup together. I love you. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button, my darlings, and I will see you I'll see you sooner than later. Bye.